Matt, Amdocs is investing in big data analytics, and we're here at a workshop that you're having in New York City. Can you give us a status on the business and the overall growth in the business? This is something that Amdocs has been active in for a number of years.
Yeah, so the new, well, we say new, but the business unit has existed for 2 years now as a holistic business unit to support big data. But the big data initiative at Amdocs is one of our key strategic pillars now moving forward. And Amdocs isn't new to big data, like you mentioned. It has been something that we've done various analytics, and we've had a data warehouse services practice for a time. But the purpose of the business unit is to enhance and augment our existing core business with the use of intelligent analytics. So it's not sort of we're going into a complete new sphere. It's basically to supercharge our CES portfolio and what everybody knows Amdocs to be its key strengths with the use of big data technology and analytics.
Okay. And you have a number of customers here as well as partners at the workshop you're doing in New York City. What are customers demanding from Amdocs, particularly in the area around real-time streaming analytics?
So yeah, I mean the workshop that we have here in New York today is great to have customers and yourself and partners here to have this discussion. I think real-time seems to be, or streaming seems to be the hot topic at the moment in analytics, for sure. For me, the main area that we see customers looking at, or of the main benefits we can see from streaming real-time analytics, is when you're using all this data to fire real-time contextual offers at customers. That really is where the strength of the real-time nature comes in. And I've said this many times, I'll be saying it today as well in the workshop. But what we're doing here is it's almost a new area of marketing. The marketeers now, it's a revolution what streaming analytics can do for them.
Okay.
And it changes marketing basically from an art to a science. So the ability to really know your customers and hit them in real time with the most appropriate offer, or even for that matter, the most appropriate proactive care messages, I think is what most of our customers are certainly looking at right now.
Okay. Amdocs obviously is known in the area of strong position in the billing customer care area, but you also have assets in the network, which some people may not be aware of.
Yeah.
Can you put that in perspective for us, just from a positioning in the marketplace, as to what your role is in the marketplace and how you compete with other suppliers in the market, both the network equipment manufacturers as well as larger ISVs that are equal in size or larger than Amdocs?
So yeah, it's why are we playing here? What's our stake to this area? And I think there's a number of points. The first point is many of Amdocs' traditional systems are generating the most valuable data for our customers. And we have the intimacy of that data, we know it, we understand it, we can get to it quickly and make sense of it. We're telco specific as well, which gives us, our understanding of the business processes from our customers gives us a distinct differentiator in being able to help them. But I think the point you touched on there about, it's not just using Amdocs traditional data to come up with this analytics and insight. We made a couple of acquisitions over the last few years that give us access to network data. So, our cell site and Appledore acquisitions, which is part of our Amdocs network group, now allows us to be able to combine this network data and overlay it with billing, CRM, traditional BSS data to really give a much richer tapestry on insights for our customers. And also we can bring in data from third parties as well and from sources. Whether it's DPI data from the network using probe vendors, whether it's social media data that we can extract and bring into the platform and add that to the mix of analytics as well.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Thanks for your time, Matt.
You're welcome.